Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and while we've done many wraps on Cybertrucks, and thank you all for following our channel and watching them, all of a sudden green is becoming increasingly more popular when wrapping a Cybertruck. And today we have a special new tone of green that we have not done before, made by Avery Dennison. It's called matte olive green. This is very different than some of the other khaki greens, military greens that we've done in the past. Matte olive green has a really nice tone to it, and I think it looks really good on a Cybertruck. Check it out. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, right? The complete exterior was wrapped, and this actually works quite well with all the plastic pieces, the front bumpers that the truck has. It gives it that kind of like tough military spec look. And this customer, like most of you, wanted to ditch the stock Tesla wheels. They're just unfinished. They're just not right for the Cybertruck. We don't have center caps and lug nut covers. So the quickest and easiest way to do that, and most affordable, is to keep the original 20-inch tire that came with the truck. Let's use those. Let's keep the TPMS sensors because they fit perfectly inside of our FlowForge TCT wheels. These wheels are really cool. We've shown them to you in the past. It's a kind of a split 5-spoke. Works great with the truck, lines up really nice with some of this design elements on the sidewall that Goodyear put on there. And it also opens up and shows off the brake calipers. And that was important for this customer because they had us paint their brake calipers to match this matte olive green color, as you can see right here. And we reapplied the Cybertruck letters in the Cyber font for that nice little special touch. Now, these TCT wheels can be enjoyed two different ways, just like you see it right here, or with the included Aero covers. Now, the Aero covers is going to give it that look that we've all grown to love in the Tesla and Cybertruck community, kind of a full-faced aerodynamic appeal. And then also, as you can see right over here, we have installed them, and they install really easily on the rear wheels. Now, that will cover up your brake calipers, but it definitely gives you a good look. And personally speaking, I actually love it just like this. I love the front wheel and tire to have no Aero cover, show off that really large caliper from Tesla. But in the rear, the brake caliper is much smaller, so it does get painted, but there's no badging that goes on there. And let's cover that up and let's give it the Aero cover appeal. So interesting ways to enjoy these wheels. There is no wrong decision. It all looks great on a Cybertruck. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.